welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanasia. If this is your first time watching, and here my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, with a dash and a sprinkle of DIY. So this is a different video. I'm showing y'all a unboxing. Well, my phone's already out the box. So I'm showing y'all my iPhone 11 Pro. If y'all know me, I've had the 6 Plus. This is the 6 Plus right here since like October 2016. So, and the phone was older than that. So this is my first time buying an iPhone in a long time. The first iPhone I bought brand new was the iPhone 5, and that was the very first iPhone that I purchased. And just to give you the specs on the iPhone 11 Pro, comes in 4 colors: midnight green, silver, space gray, and gold. The camera quality, ultra wide telephoto, and you can take pro level portraits on the camera, and the camera is unforgiving. Like, come looking your best for the camera, because the camera will clock you real quick on the 11 Pro. You can watch up to 18 hours of video, and you have 4 more hours of battery life than the iPhone XS. It has the fast charge adapter included. Also, you have the Super Retina XDR 5.8 inch or the 6.5 OLED display. So it's a super crisp display, like the best. Like, I can tell a difference from me going from a 6 Plus all the way to 11. I'm pretty sure if I got the other phones, I probably would have been able to see it as well. And the phone is also water resistant, up to 4 meters for 30 minutes. It's stainless steel and glass design. And you get a 64 gig, 256 or 512 gig. But I got the 256 gig, and it was $1,249, I believe. And I feel like you can put a lot on this phone, because I transferred everything from my old phone, and it was like only 41 gigs that I used on that phone after I kind of wiped it a little bit. So this phone can hold a lot. Let me tell you, this is 256, like I said. This MacBook is 256 gigs. So I can understand why it's that price. So going into the box, they do give you some things for paying over $1,000, as they should, like you would get with the 11. You get some headphones with the wire. They don't give you the wireless ones, unfortunately. You get a adapter, and you get another charger. Personally, I like the Verizon chargers better, but they said that this is a faster charging adapter, like I said. So that's cool. And also you get some instructions. I bought my phone from Verizon. I went straight to the store. The phone actually came out on Friday, and Friday was the 20th. I went to Apple on Friday because my charger from my MacBook fried and died. It literally started smoking on the side of my bed. Actually, that happened on Thursday. It started smoking. And on Friday, I went to Verizon just to purchase another charger, because I needed to back up my phone onto my MacBook, and the lines were extremely long. So I was in and out, got my charger, and kept it moving. And I asked the guy, I was like, do y'all have enough in stock if I come back tomorrow? And he was like, make sure you come early. So I was like, okay. So on Saturday, I literally didn't get done trying to move myself to my external hard drive and back up my phone until like maybe 2-3 o'clock. I went directly to Verizon just to see if they had the phone, and they had it. I was in and out within like 15 minutes. From Verizon, for my phone, I bought a screen protector, and the screen protector comes with a limited lifetime warranty as long as you have the phone, and it's from the brand Invisible Shield. And I normally get the privacy protector one, and I had this privacy protector on my old phone. Also, I got an outer box in the Symmetry sleep protection. And you got these two for $99, and you got to choose something for free. And I got the car charger because I didn't need anything else, and I knew my mom didn't have a car charger, so I got that for her. This is a really good phone for somebody who takes pictures, of course, and also if you do video, because I noticed that iMovie is on here, GarageBand. They have this cool feature called clips where you can like take pictures and do stuff, but add posters and media to it as well. So I thought that was like pretty cool feature. The camera, you can take pictures wide, so you're looking at whatever you're looking at. You can expand it out so that you can get a wider view, or you can bring it in, make it a smaller view, or get closer. Also, something about the iPhone is that it has in the photos, when you take your picture, you can also have a filter on your face. So that is another cool feature, because I can take like a little photo. Let me see. Will it have it? If I take it on portrait mode, I can like do stage lighting, studio lighting, natural lighting, even contour my face. I can do all of these different features. You can do stage light, mono, high key light, mono. They really made it like a one-stop shop for you to actually edit your pictures. So this is literally the camera for somebody who really loves to take pictures, somebody who's really into editing. I mean, you don't even need a computer anymore when it comes to this phone, because you have everything that is on your MacBook literally on your device. So why do you need it? But hey, I need me a keyboard, so yeah, and I need to write documents, but you can do it on your phone too. But yeah, we need a computer. For me, it's a learning curve with this phone, because you have to think about it. I came from having a 6 Plus, and with the 6 Plus, I had a home button right here. So I'm used to having a home button. I'm not used to just touching my phone and actually turning on the screen, turning on. And I have to put my face recognition in for the phone. I haven't done that yet. Something I ran into with my phone is I had to go through and put all of my everything that I had account for. I had to go log back into the account. I see now they have the Apple Store, where you can actually go on the Apple Store and buy things from your phone. So that's a neat feature. It keeps you connected with Apple and their latest and greatest products. They also add shortcuts. I don't know if they had these things on the X or the XR, so these are some things that I'm just calling out. What else? They changed the Find My iPhone to where Find My, so they added Find My Friends and Find My iPhone together, and now it's like Find My, so you can track all your devices and your friends if you want to track your friends. Another thing I really like is that I think it's an emoji, where like you can turn yourself like into like emoji. It's a memoji, whatever. And I really like that feature. I love annoying people with that one. That's literally my favorite feature on the phone. What else? The only thing I didn't like is how they, like the new features, they kind of scattered around your phone if you did a backup or whatever. So a lot of this stuff I didn't notice it until like after I started looking at my phone. I was like, what's this? But one thing that I did notice about the phone is it's faster. I could click something and I'm right there. The web pages and stuff I'm searching now, they pop up a lot faster. I did not know that that really play a factor, because I thought like my Wi-Fi was tripping, something was going on. But I guess because the phone was just old, it was doing that. But this phone is a lot faster, super sleek. The picture is just crisp. Something that like I know is I don't know if it's like that for the 10. I know some people might look at this and be like, you showing the stuff that we already knew. You have to like go down like right here just to see your battery percentage, and that's like the only thing I really don't like, because I really like to know my battery percentage. But I do like how the phone, certain parts, it actually goes to the nighttime feature where the screen goes dark. I did like that. I definitely changed my phone to do that feature. So yeah, I think that's it that I want to show you guys on the 11 Pro. If you need a new phone, I would say get the 11 Pro. If you don't need a new phone, don't get one. The price of these phones are extremely expensive, and I would just be like, just buy it if you actually need it. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses trying to get a new phone. But I do like this phone. I do miss my 6 Plus. I'm one of those people, I love, like if I have something, I keep it for a long time. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But my motherboard in this phone was going out and it glitches real bad. And I bet you it will not glitch right now, even if it wanted to, so I can show y'all. But it would glitch really bad going from right here to right here. And yeah, so the motherboard was going out, so that's why I got this one. But if y'all got the iPhone 11 Pro, congrats. Definitely go to your carrier before you go to Apple, because most likely you can get a lot quicker than going to Apple. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend to also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next upload. Bye y'all.